even know what time it is right now. Anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the tractors and our equipment, because we have this and everything here. I'm sorry, the sound thing is very windy today, but it feels good outside. I'm sure y'all can hear that wind. It's just super. Anyways, this is our Cat D3K2 bulldozer, and it has a blade on the front, obviously. Duh. Got these nice hydraulics here, and we also have a fire extinguisher in there, safety first. We have our area here, right there, and obviously hydraulic pump. Yeah. This is another part. Anyways, that's that. And we also have the planter. Alright, we have the 8-row planter. Pounds in the front. Woo! Then we have mine. Alright, so that's the tractor. This one is 4760 John Deere. 4760. One of my favorite. I like this more than the 4755 for 2 reasons. One reason, more power. Yeah. Second reason, in 4755s, you have like exhaust like way up there, so you can't see good. But in this one, I'm gonna hop up in this cab. If you look, perfect. You can see. Set. That's one perk of this instead of the 4755. I don't really know why my shed does. Why our shed does that, but it does. So hear that, just ignore it. Really? Anyways, that shut. And then over here we have the Polaris Ranger. The Polaris Ranger. And we have the big old boom on it. Not a long reach standard, but just long enough. And then 320L. We don't look at that. Wasn't meaning to give you that much information. Then we have the front loader tractor. This is the 641.5 with a 563 loader, and we haven't. It's just basically a front loader tractor. This is another Ranger XP. Also, it's just Ranger XP. We have boat, barge. So that's pretty much all we have back there. We have a generator. And can't forget about that. Very important, Mama. And we have the diesel trailer. The diesel. And it goes. And we have that. I showed y'all that. The reason that's look like that is we're almost ready for plant season. We're just getting the planters ready because plant season is not too long away. Isn't too long from now. I don't know. Here's my doggy. Bentley. Bandit. Say hey. You say hey. Oh, there's a gator there. There's two KBHs. KBH seed holders. There's a nurse wagon. There's a top hat trailer, and I don't know what the other trailer is. And here is the 7230R with also some tanks on it. We're getting this one ready for planting too. But it's just attached to the sprayer because we gotta kill something still. And yeah, that's where my deer corn is. If y'all want deer corn, we're gonna have something up for it. So that's how y'all can get deer corn. I don't really know, but we'll have something up for it if y'all want deer corn. We may do deer corn this year. We may not. We did it last year, so that's Bandit. Hey, Bandit. So, I mean, honestly, we don't have that big a farm. So, that's all that's here right now. We've got another shed with an applicator and a 4630, I think. We've got poly type roller. We've got something else. We've got we have cultivators. We have cultivators and we have disc, obviously. We got a lot of stuff. That's the main stuff that I just showed y'all. But we have some implements, trailers, whatever you call them. We have some of them over there at another spot, just over there to get it out of the way of the main farm. And we have a Magnolia shop. But that's all that we really have because we're not that big a farm. So I just thought I'd give y'all another tour because it's been a minute since the last one. Some of y'all are new. So anyways, this is Neil Scrubber signing off.